I just got this package in the mail and I want to show you guys what's in it. Okay, so I was trying to think of Christmas gifts for my mother-in-law and I decided that I should do a custom paint by numbers of her dog. This is Snoopy and I'm gonna do a custom paint by number of him. This isn't sponsored or anything, I just thought it was fun. So I have all these paints, then we have the canvas, and we also have a reference sheet with all of the numbers of where I'm supposed to paint. Oh, it's upside down. This way. I'm gonna get started and I will show you guys how it goes throughout the process. I've gotten through 5 colors so far and it's looking pretty good. Okay, I'm not even halfway through the colors and here's how it's looking. I think it's looking really good and I'm excited to see what it looks like when it's finished. I have been using the tiny paintbrush the most out of all of them. It's just so detailed. Like, look how small these little pieces are. Okay, here is the final product. I think it looks great. It was really fun to paint the whole thing. It did take me forever, but I had a great time with it and I would definitely do it again.